We have a huge amount of material that I'm going to try and cover super fast, and I'm going to take solace in knowing that there's a recording of this. So if I'm really blowing through topics, I apologize, but at least you'll have the recording to go back and sort of process and digest some of this stuff. This is directing for writers. I like to call my series that I do a symposium, Defending Your Darlings. Content warnings ahead. I am using clips and stills from some films that are rated R. There's occasionally adult language, sexual situations, sometimes disturbing imagery, but please keep in mind that it's all fiction. So, how a director tells a story. The movie starts with a screenplay, which is a written document describing the characters' actions and what they say. But the director visualizes that story with another script that layers on top of the screenplay. The director's script is called a shot list, and every shot should be designed to visually support every emotional beat of the story. To think like a director, you must become more sensitive to the following things: color, light, composition, and movement. So it's those four things that are what the director are using to tell the story. Now, if you're a writer, you probably have a sensitivity towards word choice or language. So let's build your vocabulary for being more sensitive to cinema. We're going to do this in two parts. Part one, we're going to discuss the elements of film that are not related to movement, or CLC. That's color theory, using color to invoke empathy and direct the audience's eye. Lighting, using light to create mood, texture, define space, invoke empathy, and direct the audience's eye. And composition, this is balancing the frame, invoking empathy, and directing the audience's eye. Notice each element has the overlapping purpose of directing the audience's eye. It's important we help the audience know where to look inside the frame. The other thing we're going to talk very briefly about is aspect ratio. Part two is going to be directing the eye and what comprises a shot. A shot has 7 aspects: shot size, framing, angle, depth of field, the mechanism, the camera movement, and the lens choice. So movement is cinema's singular defining feature. 3 movement factors are in every shot: the subject moves, the camera moves, or both. Outside of color, light, and composition, how movement is captured on film is the director's own script layered on the screenplay, which tells a story of characters in conflict.